Alright, I got another frame that I'm going to be building up. This is, it might look familiar. It's a nano Libero. I got the 2.5 inch Libero out here so you can see. It's the miniature version. It looks exactly the same. So this takes 0703 or 0705 motors. Actually, you get 3 options when you go to purchase it, and you can choose what type of holes it has for the mounts for the motors, and you can choose between the Sunny Sky, which has a wider bolt pattern because it has bearings. There's a 0705 15,000. Pretty nice little motors. I like that the shafts are a lot shorter. They actually have this little metal piece right there that goes up higher than on any other 0703s. The shaft just goes all the way down and it's super long, easier to bend. I think that's going to make this shaft a lot harder to bend. Not that I've had or heard of many problems of shafts bending on these, but I'm sure they're not that strong. So anyway, yeah, that's going on there. So you can have the choice of that motor or a standard 0703 pattern or the DYS 0905 motors. They have a different unique pattern as well. So you can choose between those, which is pretty nice. I couldn't really find any other frames that were made for this motor. But I actually now know that, now that I look at it, the only difference between this and a regular 0703 is it's just a little bit wider. It's in the same spots, it's just a little bit wider. So you could take any other frame. See, they look the same. It's just a tiny bit bigger. So I'm sure you could just, you know, take these holes and widen them out a tiny bit or something. I don't know if you can on this, but you wouldn't have to on this one because, let me show you. Oh, where is it? Dang it. I have so much stuff, I just can't keep track of it all. This is for the Sunny Sky motors. You can see, you probably wouldn't be able to tell. I can tell right away because I built so many of these that the holes are spaced out more. But I believe it says it on here. Yeah, see, it says right there, Sunny Sky. So this frame is specifically made for those motors. So, you know, anybody wanting a whoop that with those motors, it's not a problem. And as soon as I build my first one, I can see, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna end up wanting the Sunny Sky motors because they're probably a lot quieter. Well, see, the problem is gonna be, well, it's not really a problem, but these are 0705s, so they're gonna take up more juice, so you're gonna need a bigger battery, but these frames only take a certain size of battery. But there is also a fix to that. There is a battery mount that mounts to these same holes that's wider, so you can use those wider. And let me show you, I got one right here. You can use there it is. These batteries. So these are 300 milliamp hour. They use the same pH 2.0 plug, and that would be perfect for the 0705 motors. So that's not a problem either. But I'm getting off track here. This frame is just so awesome. It looks like it feels really sturdy. It's real stiff. I mean, not really stiff, but for how small it is. And I guessed that it was 1.5, but I'm gonna see. Yep, it is 1.5 thick. So that's pretty good. A lot better than 1mm. And then I believe the side plates are 1mm, which is fine. So it goes together the exact same way as the bigger Libero. It has the side plates, the screw into this screws into the base plate. You got that top piece with the fin. It just looks so awesome. And it's so tiny. It takes 40 millimeter props. So 0705, 15,000 kV with 40 millimeter props. It's going to be pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure I have all the parts on hand to build this up, so I'm gonna get that done. Probably not tonight though, so. But yeah, as soon as I get it built up, I will definitely do another video. Alright.